Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this product from ZOEVA. I love trying out ZOEVA products, so I'm glad I got another one in my June 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So this here is the Pure Velours Lips in the shade Natural Aesthetic. So if you have not seen my June 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box unboxing, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products that I got. This is actually the last makeup product that I have to try out from that box. So I've already posted my full dedicated review videos on all of the other makeup products that I got in that box this month. And so this retails for $15. I saw that you can get it at Ulta, and they had a few other shades, maybe like 6 or 7 shades, all within this same reddish rosy family. It says it's a soft as velvet, ultra creamy formula that glides on the lips smoothly, combining intense color with a long-lasting formula that sets to a matte finish. The velvety ultra matte liquid lipstick delivers supple and full lips. The formulation of the liquid lipstick is 100% free of animal-derived ingredients, fragrances, mineral oils, parabens, and phthalates. I love a long-lasting lip product, so I'm very excited to see what that is like, and excited to see how this shade is going to look on me. So, oh, it is an interesting applicator. Wow, it's like a double-sided doe foot. So like both sides look like the flat end of a doe foot. Very unique. You see how that looks? Flat on that side, flat on the other side. So it says it's free from fragrances, but it does have a smell to it. Like a product-y, slightly chemical-y type smell. Not very strong though. So let's go ahead and see how it swatches. Woo! Very pigmented. And I would say, I mean, yeah, true to color, how it looks in the packaging here. All right. Very intrigued. So let's see how it is on my lips. It is so extremely pigmented. I only lightly touched the applicator to my lips and it's a full swipe of opaque pigment. But I'm loving the applicator as well. It's very easy to get a precise shape. It has such a nice texture to it where it's a little bit of a balm, almost glossy, slippy feel when I first apply it. So it just makes it just go on so smooth. And even the formula on my lips looks incredibly smooth and hydrated. That full, even color, it's a really beautiful formula and a really beautiful shade as well. It kind of looks like a nude tone of lip, but then it's also kind of like a peachy rose. Very pretty. I think it's a great summer shade. I just love the feel of it. It's kind of dried down to a matte, but it doesn't feel dry at all. Like it still like has some creaminess when I rub my lips together. But let's see. Oh, I'm like, does it smudge? Yes. Yes, it does smudge. I was kind of expecting it to not, since it claims to be long lasting, but I mean, let's go ahead and see a kiss test. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely transfer. It didn't claim to be transfer proof. I kind of was hoping that it would be. It claims to be long lasting. And I mean, it's definitely still fully intact, full opaque color on my lips, even with the transfer. So I do understand the long lasting claim, but it looks so beautiful on the lips. That velvet finish, basically like a creamy matte. So flattering on the lips, so comfortable. So I really like this. If it didn't smudge or have the transfer, it would be perfect, but that's just like my personal preference. I love a transfer-proof lip product. This is so pretty, so comfortable that I still really like this and will definitely wear it again. And I'm really happy with the shade that I got, Natural Aesthetic. But if you've tried this out, let me know your thoughts on it, and especially if you've tried it out in any of the other shades. I love to hear feedback on the other shades of products as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.